Every time you say, later, a dream quietly dies. Not because you couldn't, but because you chose comfort over conquest. Time doesn't stop when you rest. It keeps running without you. You say you don't have time, yet you give hours to distractions that don't pay you back. Your phone owns your mornings. Your comfort owns your nights. You trade your potential for pleasure, your greatness for laziness. Time is not an enemy. It's the only currency that never regenerates. Every second you waste is a second your future self will beg for. So start investing, not spending. Step 1, guard your mornings like treasure. Rise early. Build your first hour before the world wakes. Step 2, measure your minutes. Track what you do because measured grows. Step 3, eliminate noise, gossip, unnecessary scrolling, silence them all. Step 4, reward consistency, not results. Your power grows when your routine becomes sacred. When you master your time, your reality bends. You stop chasing success. Success starts chasing you. Your peace becomes your power. And the man who commands his hours commands his destiny. Don't say you don't have time. Say you have a mission. Every moment is a seed. Plant it wisely. And remember, if you master the minutes, you'll master your entire life.